Hello everyone, welcome to my Concrete Decor channel. Today I want to talk to you about molds, how to create them and how to use them effectively. Why are molds needed? Despite all the significant advantages of concrete, its major drawback is that it doesn't hold its shape well when molded. I've tried several times, experimented with different compositions and uses various techniques, but the concrete kept collapsing. Of course, you can buy molds online. There's countless options available. I have around 10 of these myself. But let's be honest, how many identical candle holders do you really need? I prefer to create my own molds so that every pot, vase and candlestick is unique, and I'll show you the process. First, you need a clear reference. Look for inspiration online, in design magazines, or even take screenshots of decor you like from TV shows or movies. For my vase, I'll be using balloon and I need to add extra shapes. I'll use plastic packaging to create the desired relief. I utilize the plastic rope to help hold all the pieces together. Just remember the mold you create will replicate the details as accurately as possible. I'm a strong advocate of reusing materials, so I try to use all the components of my molds multiple times. If I want something simple, I also use household items like dishes, but this needs to be well protected beforehand. Otherwise, the cement will stick to the glass, making it almost impossible to clean. Simple molds like this can be decorated additionally to create a unique design, and I'll show you some of the decorated techniques in the next video. What difficulties can arise when you use handmade molds? This time I had a problem because I didn't tie the balloon tightly and it gradually began to deflate, causing the shape to change slightly and the result to differ from my expectations. So make sure there is no air escaping from the balloon. You may have trouble applying concrete to your plastic rope, so at the very end you can treat the mold with a mixture of water and soap to make it adhere tightly to the balloon. The pipe, for example, has been through a lot, but it has helped me create many beautiful items. Its main feature is that it needs to be wrapped more in plastic packaging to make it easier to pull the vase out of the mold. Plates and other dishes are the simplest molds and are perfect for beginners. They are very easy to use, and with a little creativity you can achieve a spectacular modern design. I think I've covered everything. Take a look at the shapes that came out of the molds. It was a great experience and I love it. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about working with concrete.